watching Code with Heather. Welcome back to Jira tutorial series. In this episode, we will understand how Jira actually works, its workflow, and the main building blocks like projects, tickets, issues, sprints, and more. This is going to be a quick conceptual overview, so when we move to the practical demos later, you already have the image in your mind. So we will start with how Jira works. Jira helps teams plan, track, and deliver work. Everything in Jira starts with a project. So the basic idea is simple. Jira is like a digital office board. You create a project, and within those projects you have created, you create tickets to represent your tasks. You can move those tasks through stages like to do, in progress, and done. That's the workflow, and that's how Jira tracks everything from start to finish. What are projects in Jira? A project is like a container for your work. Uh, think of a project as a folder that contains all your work items. For example, if you are building a mobile app, that could be one project. Inside it, you will have tickets for design, development, testing, etc. So, Jira supports different styles of managing projects, Scrum, Kanban, and even simple boards. What are tickets in Jira? A ticket represents a issue in Jira. So it's like a single piece of work. Every small or big task is represented by a ticket, also called an issue in Jira. Tickets help you track who's working on what's pending, and what's done. They can be bugs, stories, tasks, subtasks, depending on your workflow. So each ticket moves through stages until it's completed. And as we have discussed earlier, that we have workflow like from to do to in progress, or then we take it to the done. We will discuss it in the upcoming episodes. Yeah, here it is, Jira workflow. When a ticket is created, it's initially it will be in to do, like it's not done yet. Developer or anyone who's working on it, it moves it into in progress. It shows like that it's working on it. And then interview. Interview is like QA or any tester will be checking it, or then it will be moved to done. So it represents that ticket is closed now. These are just, you can say, something like headings. Each team can customize this based on their process. Sprints. It's an important topic. Sprints are short time periods, usually like for 1 to 2 weeks. Teams complete a set of tasks within a sprint. If you have ever heard about Agile or Scrum, sprints are heard of that system. We will discuss it in upcoming videos and by practical examples. You plan a sprint, assign tasks, and complete them in that time frame. At the end of each sprint, you review the progress and plan the next one. Jira makes it super easy to manage this visually. Our next topic is bugs and issue types. We have already discussed it that issues represents our ticket here. So issues or bugs can be of different type. You might have a bug ticket for errors, a task for the normal work, story, features or requirement. Story is like for adding new features or something. Multiple stories combines into an epic. As you can see, I wrote it here, a collection of stories. This structure, these tickets or issues, this structure helps you stay organized, especially on big projects. Boards in Jira. Boards show you tickets visually. Scrum boards, these are based on sprints. Kanban boards, continuous flow of work. So boards are where the magic happens visually. They show all your tickets and their current stage. Scrum board uses sprints, while Kanban boards show a continuous flow of work. You can drag and drop tasks as they move through stages. As we have already discussed that it helps teams track progress easily. In short, This is an overview of how Jira works and how different elements connects together. Like first of all, you create a project and create tickets in it, assign, workflow. So this workflow means that one tickets a ticket will be in to do in the beginning, then it will move to the in progress, then in review done, and eventually it will be completed. So that's the overview of how Jira works, how different elements connect together. In the next video, we will move towards the creation of account, and especially we will discuss about Jira instance. So that is it for this episode. See you in the next episode. Take care.